Hello, is this Dr. Johnson? Yes, I would like to resupply my subscription.
Well, it's the M.I. cricket letter coming around the south, rolling straight hammers and bows and that old southern south sleep. Ain't nothing but incense in my atmosphere. I'm bending corners in my lag bar, cause that's how we been rolling here. Yeah, the slang is in effect because it's Georgia kicking the Yankees, and I need to pack your reasons cause you're supposed to cuss. Catfish and grits is how my flow flows, rolling steady in that caddy, but the 50 bottles got to go. See, juice and gin used to be my friend from the beginning. Now I'm just a player sipping sauce every now and then to catch a buzz like a bumblebee. Niggas who try to fuck with me get sprayed like Ray, cause it ain't nothing.
See, my heat is in the trunk along with that quad lock. No, my heart don't pump no Kool-Aid. Jumping, you'll get too sprayed. Hooray, you'll rock the one and only outcast. Many a niggas falling fast and I continue blasting quickly. They ain't gon' get me, got something for them. The devil up in your grill and you still don't even know him. Show him who's the okay, like collard greens and hoe cakes. I got soul, that's something that you ain't got. That's why your style is rotten. Stop in the land of ATL, where nothing but pimps fully equipped, quick to make a sale swell. Rolling, got my pockets, business booming like rockets. Folks try to stop it, but they know that it's sad. To drop these bones like Dusty Rhodes. Then I yell, ho, and knock them off they think like a southern hustler pose. The dudes in the house like a joint is lit for my kinfolks and all the niggas that was down since we been from. Taking them deeper than a submarine.